Hello, it's Angela from Something Beautiful Design, and today I just wanted to show you how to edit your Christmas card template in Corjl.com. Now, if you've already purchased this through my Etsy store, the Corjl.com template should be coming to your email within about 5 to 10 minutes of your purchase. And you'll be able to log into Corjl, get in here, and make the edits that you need. If you're seeing this on YouTube and you're interested in purchasing, I will place a link in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you how easy it is to edit this template. Now, as you can see, there is a demo watermark on this. That is because this is the demo version. When you purchase the template, that will be gone, okay? So the first thing you might want to do is go in and replace all these photos with your own, and I'm going to show you how easy that is to do. So let's click on this girl right here. And now you know that this one is selected because you're going to see some gray dots along the edge of the photo. And the toolbar on the right hand side will have changed as well. And what you're going to want to do is just click on this green Replace Image button. This is going to pop up and allow you to upload a new file. So I'm just going to click on this JPEG file, and you can see it here. And we will click Save, and that should replace it. While this is going on, I just wanted to let you know that I am editing on a computer. You can edit your template through a computer, a laptop, a mobile device, or your phone. I highly recommend doing it on a computer or laptop because you're going to have a lot more options in your editing, okay? So now that this is popped in here, you can see that this is selected again, and we can kind of click and drag, make it bigger or smaller. So let's make it like that and drag it over here. Alright, and then you will just continue to do this for each image in the template. Simple as that. Now if you want to change the text, we're just going to click on the text we want to change. So let's say we want to change Merry Christmas to, say, Happy New Year. Let's put a little space there. And see how it kind of made it more vertical? You can still make edits to this. See the gray dots on this? We know we can edit, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to drag this out so it's more horizontal again. So there we go. Now let's say we want to make this a little bit smaller. We can go over here to the font size, and let's make it about 48 points, make it a little smaller. And let's say we want to make this gold to kind of match the frame. So let's click on this. This is the color. And we can just make this, oof, that's an ugly gold, but you get the picture, right? So you play around with that till you find the right color that you like, and then click on this. This is separate text, and you can make any edits you want to do. So let's say we want to say love the Hansons, okay? And let's say we want to make that black text. There you go. See how simple that is? It's so simple to go in. The one thing that you're not going to see on this demonstration video is when you've actually purchased this, you're going to have some additional buttons over here on the left hand side of your screen, right where it says Christmas card. One button right here, which you don't want to mess with unless you absolutely have to, will say revert to original. Do not click that button unless you want it to go back to the original, so be careful with that. What you're going to want to do when you're done with all your changes is click Save. There'll be a button here in the middle to save the file. And then the last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to be able to download your file, okay? So right in this area there should be a download button, and you can download this as a PDF, as a JPEG, or as a PNG file. Save it to your computer, and then you can either print from home, send it to your local print shop, big box store like Walgreens, Walmart, well, they'll print. Or in my Etsy store, I have a company that I work with, great printing company. They do great work, and they will send you free envelopes along with your purchase. So if you're interested in that, look in the description in Etsy and you will see that. So that is it. Super easy to edit. You can have your template done within minutes, have it download and saved and print. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to help with any questions or issues you have. Otherwise, enjoy your template.